Good morning, my loves. Welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today's your birthday. We're running very low on mugs. I've barely done, I actually haven't run the dishwasher since Connor left because it's just me, and so I'm using way less dishes than usual, but I'm using the same amount of mugs, and so we're running really low on our mugs. Definitely gonna run the dishwasher today. Actually, I think I will run it tonight because I was just reading somewhere that, or actually I think I heard it on the radio or something, I don't know. It's better for the environment if you run your dishwasher after 9 p.m. It has something to do with like when people are using energy. Like more people are using energy earlier in the day, obviously, and so with that, it's better for the environment to use it when less energy is being used. I don't know the logistics. But anyway, I've tried to just run our dishwasher overnight because of that. Anyway, hi, hello, back in my Mickey sweatshirt. I cannot stop wearing this, you guys. It is the most comfortable thing that has ever graced my body. So soft on the inside, but really lightweight. It's just perfect, comfy clothes. And it is Saturday morning, and almost 11 a.m. already. Even though I woke up at 8, I woke up at 8:03. I have so much trouble sleeping in past like 9 o'clock is the absolute limit. And when I sleep until 9, I am thrilled. It's very sad because I love sleep and I love sleeping in. But that's okay because it's Saturday and there is no rush to get out of bed. Molly. But we are about to have a day ahead of us, so I just got out of bed, I washed my hair. I forgot that I wanted to work out this morning before I showered. So now I'm conflicted because now I've already showered and I'm going out. So I don't want to just like sit in my sweat. So do I give myself a day off? I think yes. I have worked out every day since Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, yeah. 5 days straight. So I'll take today off and then get back into it tomorrow because I was dumb and just didn't think about that before showering this morning. Something else very annoying about the dishes situation is all of my wooden spoons have been dirty for days. And it's just so much nicer to stir things with the wooden spoon. It doesn't make as much noise. I don't know why, I really prefer it. I love mixing things with my wooden spoons, as you guys know. Today's gonna be a very fun day, doing a little West Side drinking day with Tara because I think that this will be our last day together. It's very sad, very, very sad. Should be a fun day though. I think Vic and Haley are gonna meet up with us at some point. It's gonna be good. I'm looking forward to it. We do not have any specific plans yet though as to when we are meeting or where, so I'll keep you guys in the loop on that. And in the meantime, I think I'm just going to read my book for a little bit. On the 5th book of the Mindfuck series. I didn't get much time to read this past week. It's taking me a little while longer to get through this, but I have like 60-ish pages left, so not very much. Definitely will finish it this weekend. I'm excited. Up finishing that whole book. I was just so close, I just had to get through it and I loved it. Highly recommend the Mindfuck series if you're looking for a series of books to get into that are a really easy read, but you know, there are multiple books, which is really nice. There's 5 of them total. Absolutely loved it. Highly recommend. And now I'm just working on lunch. Tara and I are gonna meet up in about an hour and a half-ish. So I'm just making a quick sandwich. I'm just gonna use this little like chickpea tuna fish concoction that I made in my last vlog. If you missed that, you can check it out. It's a fun one. So I'm just using that and then I'm going to add some prosciutto to it today. That sounds really good. I've been craving some prosciutto, so we're gonna go for it. And then I also have like a last quarter of an avocado here. It honestly stayed pretty good. Like this is a 3 or 4 day old avocado now. I'm just going to scoop that out and mash it onto the bread. Got my bread ready to go, and now I think I'm gonna scoop the chickpea mixture on. I'm so glad that I've learned to love prosciutto because it is truly delicious. Love it. Nice simple sandwich. So good. Okay, here's today's fit. Very basic. Shocking, I know. And Tara is on her way here, so we're going to head out in just a few. Just been jammed to some music. Very excited for a day out. It's going to be so fun. Ladies' Day has commenced. Finished our first drink, went back for a vodka soda, and this guy's got to go down quick because we're going to Bell's. Up to Bell's right after. Yeah. Thank you so much.
sent us a couple free happies here at Offspeed, which, what a dream. The kale salad and the crispy provolone, my two favorite appetizers here.
Things we were already gonna order.
Yeah, would have paid. We also got very dirty martinis, as is evident from the color. I mean, damn. I know I've talked about this before, but this salad is just,
It deserves to be talked about.
wow. Spicy rigatoni, it is everything. Haley got some sort of like lobster moment. I don't really know, but it's gonna be amazing. Can't wait.
Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. Whew, I feel like I haven't vlogged in a couple of days. It really has only been a couple of days. I think I vlogged on Saturday, now it's Tuesday. It has been such a busy start to my day here, you guys. We are just like in mad dash pre-Coachella mode where I'm just trying to get all of my work knocked out. I have so much editing to do. I was running around all day yesterday. I'm gonna be running around all day tomorrow. We're even running around a little bit today, but mostly like at home running around, so a little bit easier to manage. But it's busy. It's a busy one, that is for sure. But I really just sort of wanted to come on and say hi because I'm about to dive into some editing. So I will be in an editing hole for the next probably 2 hours here. I want to knock out a video. I think like this week, pre-Coachella week, is only going to be a 2-video week. This is what happens when I'm running around so busy. It's really hard to get 3 videos up. It's hard on a normal week to get 3 videos up. It's a lot of work. So that's where we're at. Still working on my chai here. I have that going. Wow, these actually look so pretty together. I have my water drop water bottle, which is so cute. Look at that, a little earthy gal. Also, please ignore this. We are washing and straightening our hair, I think, today, so I'm gonna straighten my hair for Coachella. I think I'll just be happy with that decision. So it is up in a big messy bun today. Now let's get into some editing. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been so busy today. I can't believe it, and the day is not slowing down, but very exciting because I have my group class with Kaia today with so many of you who signed up. I'm very excited. That's gonna be a lot of fun, but I just threw together a really quick salad because I have that in an hour, and then, but in a half hour I have a call. Should be a really quick one, but I still have a lot to do today. Oh, it's just busy. Here's hoping I can get through these next 2 hours. Okay, all ready for class. Kaia's on already with me. We're just prepping some little last minute ideas that we have, but we're so excited. Our first like collaboration.
I know. First of many.
First of many, yeah, I'm very excited. We have like 19 people signed up, which is so exciting. So many of you to hang out with. So if you're watching this and you came to class, thank you so much for being there. I'm sure I'll talk more about it afterwards and how much fun we're going to have, but yeah, let's go get sweaty. Okay friends, just got out of the shower. It is what time now? 6:37. This day is going way too fast. We are going to straighten my hair. I think what I'm gonna do is only use the Revlon today, even though my hair will look sort of crazy. I'll just like throw it up in a ponytail or something once I get the base done, and we can work more on getting it flatter tomorrow / really on Thursday, Friday, Saturday when I'm actually at Coachella, because I don't really care what I look like before then. It's just gonna be running around like a crazy person anyway. But I had so much fun at that class that Kaia hosted for us. It was so much fun. Thank you to everyone who came. I appreciate you all so much. I can't even tell you, it was just so much fun getting to hang out, all getting a good workout in together. It was a blast. And if you came, I hope that you had as much fun as I did. It was a great time. And great to get a little workout in for the day. Here we go. I really don't feel like doing this today, I'm not gonna lie. But it has to be done, you know? It just, the way the cookie crumbles for me. Ugh, part of me just wants to like let my hair air dry and just straighten it tomorrow. Excuse me, tomorrow. Oh my God. Spider. Rinsed it straight down. I know I shouldn't leave everything for tomorrow though, because I'm gonna be stressed enough tomorrow. But I could do it right when I wake up. Jill, what are you gonna do? You really should not do that. Let's just do this. Let's just get it over with. The worst part about using the Revlon brush is you can't like listen to anything or have anything on while you're doing it to help entertain you and pass the time. because the hairdryer makes so much noise. Okay, enough complaining, Jill. Let's just get on with the show. Guys, look at how long my hair is getting. Holy shit, it is long. Okay, I need to just journey on this hair journey. I just need to go on my own here. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, this is where we're going to leave it. It's definitely a little big. It definitely still has some bumps and lumps and stuff, but those are gonna pop up anyway, and I don't need my hair to be perfectly straight tonight when I'll just have to redo it tomorrow anyway. So glad to just have gotten that base done though. It feels good just to like run through it real quick and at least have it 75% of the way there, and then I can touch up. But look at how long my hair is getting, you guys. It is getting long. When it's curly, it's like up to here. It's so crazy, the difference. But done. Whew, such a weight off my shoulders to get that off of my list. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is just a total disaster in this office, but this is just like, I've been collecting everything that I want to bring with me to Coachella, so it's just sort of everywhere right now. But I have a couple packages that I wanted to open here. So this is just a few, whoa, I'm slipping and sliding. A few things that I picked up for Coachella that I needed / wanted. What is this? Oh yeah, so I got like a cute little body chain. I thought this would be fun for maybe like cute bathing suit pic, or like if I end up wearing something. I have absolutely no, this is not a body chain at all. Let me back up. I do not have any of my outfits locked in 100%. I have stuff that I like, but there is nothing that is set in stone. It's gonna be interesting. Here's this little body chain, just a very simple gold chain. It has like little sort of beads on it. Thought that would be fun. And then this that I just opened and said was a body chain, they're actually earrings. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to properly show you what these look like. Let's see. That's sort of the vibe. Hangs a little with a little dangly chain. I just happened to catch these, like see them when I was checking out, and I was like, oh, those are cute. I'll pick them up because even if I don't wear them for Coachella, I really like these. I'll definitely wear them. Hi, Molly Cat. Also, sorry if you hear monster killing sounds in the background, it's just calmer. Oh yeah, next up, I got just some of these little like jewels. I thought maybe I would use these for makeup. Maybe I would stick some in my hair for a little hair accessory. Picked up a fresh pack of bandanas as well. And then lastly, in this package here, we have a pack of 2 portable phone chargers. Wanted to get this so that Connor and I had a way to charge our phone while we're there. They're sort of heavy, but they're really thin, which is nice. And then this other package here is from Revolve Beauty. They sent me their Festival Beauty Box, which I'm so excited to check out. They sent a nice big tub of Bum Bum Cream, essential for Coachella because it is so dry in the desert. You're gonna need the lotion. They also sent these hangover patches. Best results applied before consuming alcohol. It's interesting. Next up, we have a Coola Refreshing Water Mist Sunscreen. It has SPF at 18. This will definitely not be the only sunscreen that I use on my face because my face is very sensitive to the sun. Dry shampoo mist, probably won't use this because my hair is so dry it does not get oily. I'm excited about this Tanology Face and Body Drops. I've actually been really wanting to try these. I think Caitlin told me about them. They are in dark, whereas I would usually go for medium, but that's okay. I'll just use like 1 or 2 drops instead of, I don't know how many it says, but I'll just use less than it says. This I'm pumped for as well. It is a Tower 28 Milky Lip Jelly. I have been dying to try Tower 28. Really pretty color. I'm into it. Sorry, I feel like I'm very far away from the camera, but we're here now. Super Goop Glow Stick SPF 50. That is more like it. This is a blush from Youthforia. Never heard of that brand. A blush oil that reacts to your skin's unique chemistry for a soft glow. I love it. Very, very excited to try that out. So huge thank you to Revolve Beauty for sending this through. I'm definitely going to be playing with a lot of these products over this next weekend. Now here's hoping that everything else that I ordered arrives tomorrow because I have clothes that I haven't gotten yet. I have Amazon boxes that I haven't gotten yet that have been delayed. So I don't know exactly what's gonna happen, but fingers crossed for me. Oh, and I guess it's worth mentioning, I think with the way that my upload schedule is going to work out this week when I'm filming this, you guys are actually seeing this after Coachella. So you can head over to my Instagram. I'll have everything saved in a highlight there. I'm sure the photos will have already started to go up. Yeah, you can head over there. But today's vlog and the next vlog are going to be a little bit, well, I guess today's vlog was not super Coachella based. Tomorrow, or the next vlog that you guys see, definitely will be more because that's all I'm gonna be doing tomorrow is just getting ready. Dinner time. We just made some quick bowls with some ahi tuna in it, which are looking so good. I am so obsessed. Oh, I'm very excited. By the way, I don't think I mentioned that I got my nails done while I wasn't vlogging, but here's the Coachella nails. They're like a little, I don't know, what would you call this?
Well, I like how you called it holographic. Or
Oh yeah. It's a little holographic-ish, you know? You get that vibe?
Yeah, I get that.
You would know best.
Yeah, I am the hologram guy.
Exactly. Connor works for a hologram company, if you guys don't know, so now you know.
Now you know. Art Media.
Art Media, check it out. By the way, our TV comes with like this free Samsung TV, and they have a Bon Appetit channel that we just keep on our TV at all times now. And it's so entertaining. We love it. 10:30 is here and it is bedtime for me. I am exhausted. I've caught a case of the yawns and I cannot stop yawning. This happens to me a lot when I'm really, really tired, where I just yawn and yawn and yawn. I just can't stop. It's ridiculous. But anyway, that is my cue, so I'm heading to bed. By the way, I've had these hero patches on for just a couple of hours, since like 6:30, and look, you can see like the gunk getting pulled out of them. I just talked about these recently, / I've talked about them in a million videos, but favorite acne patches, I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. But I digress. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.